Last week, I received a package from Jody Sims containing what I received from my participation in the Deathrace 2024 race that he hosts. So let's take a look at the stuff. First of all, there's a letter from Jody. Howdy, Jim. Thanks for taking part in Deathrace 2024. Hope you enjoyed yourself. Enclosed is the car you won from Mark Anthony in the qualifying round. Yeah, I only got through the qualifying round. And some other stuff. Take care and God bless. Jody Sims, Jode0. Be sure and check out Jody's YouTube channel. You can see the race there. You can see all of his customs there. And you can watch me win in the qualifying round and immediately lose after that. But anyhow, let's take a look at the stuff. First of all, he mentioned that I won a car from Mark Anthony, a custom built by Mark Anthony. This is it. Check this out. How cool is this? This is so neat. This is a Charger, Dodge Charger that he's customized. And it turned out great, Mark. This is just so cool. And I'm sorry to have knocked you out of the race, but I'm thrilled to have your custom. So that's the way it goes. Anyhow, this is fantastic. Be sure and check out Mark Anthony's Customs YouTube channel, where you can see him build this and all of his other customs. And I'll put links to Mark and Jody's channels in the description for this video. So that is the real prize from participating in the race and actually winning something, which doesn't happen often for me. I got a Deathrace 2024 sticker, a Shrouded Hand sticker. It's one of those reflective stickers. Skip over at Crossroads Diecast sticker. I don't think I have one of Skip's stickers yet. And Spork Syndicate Tom, that's another one of those reflective stickers. Sorry if that's bothering anybody. The flashing. I think I have Tom's sticker already, if I remember right, possibly an older one. And then Jody also included some other cars. A Hot Wheels 72 Stingray convertible with the pop-up headlights on the front. Porsche 928S Safari. I really want to customize this. It definitely needs different wheels, but not too outrageous. But I've watched Hoovie's Garage try and create a Porsche. It wasn't the 928, but it created a Porsche Safari type off-road car that he proceeded to thrash. And yeah, that's a video where he destroyed a car that he was in the process of selling. Marvel Thor themed car. I have some ideas for that. Just when I saw it, I immediately had some ideas on that. The Mo-Stash, which I have a Mo-Stash, so yeah, I will not be using this to comb my Mo-Stash, but it's a trippy looking car. Yo, wait, Ford Focus with a art car livery? Yeah, art car. Yeah, the art cars have letters on them that spell out a word, and they're pretty easy, usually to recognize by the tampo. Some different colored wheels. Huh. Yeah, that needs to be saved. The glass is lightly tinted yellow. You can see that. That shouldn't be too bad to work around. And then finally, green light, 1969 Plymouth GTX convertible, which is really cool. And I don't know, I might not do anything. I might give this away on my channel on one of the cool or not videos. It's a Barrett Jackson theme on the green light. Pretty cool. Lots of cool stuff. Love the custom. Thanks again, Jody, for hosting this. This was the second year of the Deathrace event. And I'm looking forward to future events that Jody has on his channel. So everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you like this unboxing where I had already got rid of the box. And everybody, stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.